But there's a few things. Let's talk about Tilray. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring the bell. Tilray Brands. And this is an article that's from Molliful, saying 3 cannabis stocks to buy and hold for the next 10 years. Tilray, the only Canadian pot stock worth considering now is Tilray Brands, post-merger with Aphria. Tilray has been doing exceptionally well. Aphria was already a profitable company with vast exposure globally. The combined company's quarterly results have been quite impressive since the completion of the merger in May 2021. In its recent fiscal second quarter 2022, its total revenue increased 20% year over year to $155 million. Despite an early mover advantage in the Canadian medical cannabis market, revenue increased by 27%, generating just $7.9 million for 3 months ended and $16.3 million 6 months ended November 30th, 2021. And its recreational segment brought in $49 million in revenue for the quarter, thanks to the high-margin derivatives products that Aphria launched last year. The company has a good presence in the European markets. Its distribution revenue generated from its German subsidiary CC Pharma fell 7% year over year, but still contributed to 44% of total revenue. The company made a net profit of $6 million from a net loss of $89 million in the year-ago quarter. The company has realized $70 million in cost synergies by January 10th. Among all the other benefits of a merger, cost synergies are the reduction in costs made by using each company's efficiencies to generate profits. These benefits include high-class production facilities, innovative products, growth strategies, the scale of operations, and more. Management is confident that Tilray will easily cross its original target of $80 million ahead of schedule and could also generate an additional $20 million in fiscal 2023. The company is also excited to bring in higher revenues from the burgeoning U.S. market with strategic acquisitions. CEO Irwin Simon stated in the earnings call, "These significant diversified revenue streams are key to delivering on our ultimate goal of industry leadership with $4 billion in revenue by the end of fiscal 2024. According to Bloomberg, Tilray has also adopted a new parent name, Tilray Brands, to capitalize on its brand strength. The company wants to be recognized as a global consumer packaged goods company and not just a pot company. Furthermore, talking about competition in the Canadian space, Tilray's management also stated, "We do not believe this is a sustainable environment. Only the strong will survive." The company also plans to go aggressive with its growth and marketing strategy and new product portfolio. And I do want to review the other two, but I want to focus on Tilray, right? And Manitoba Harvest to unveil new superfood lineups. So it seems like this is tied to Tilray, as you will see. Manitoba Harvest, the world's leading hemp foods brand and pioneer in the natural foods industry, will unveil its new product lineup and the upcoming Natural Products Expo West to be held March 10 to 12 in Anaheim, California. Attendees are invited to experience the power of hemp food as Manitoba Harvest introduces a line of hemp protein items blended with other powerful plants like matcha and kale, along with new formats like ground hemp seeds, which offer greater convenience to consumers looking to incorporate hemp into baked goods and snacks. And hemp has been one of the most misunderstood plants for decades, and we're thrilled to see consumers beginning to understand the nutritional value. These new items take full advantage of hemp's protein and omega content and will be a perfect option for consumers looking to enhance their wellness routine, said Sam Garfinkel, VP of Marketing at Manitoba Harvest. So they have hemp and matcha, hemp and super greens, chia and flax, ground hemp seed, roasted hemp seeds with seed salt. And the reason why I was looking at this, so Manitoba Harvest is a pioneer and leader in branded hemp-based foods and is recognized as a certified B Corporation and the first Canadian food company to attain a carbon zero certification. Taking the seed-to-shelf approach since 1998, Manitoba Harvest is committed to quality, sustainability, and consumer wellness. Here we go. They are a wholly owned subsidiary of Tilray Brands, dedicated to hemp education and consumer wellness. This is the why I was actually talking about it. And let's go ahead and take the opportunity and review Tilray in the charts and see how it's doing. Tilray this morning is at 589. It is in a, let's look at the weekly, oversold territory for sure. You can see to the left and the RSI here. You can see that we were oversold at $5.18. We're currently at 585. Is this a buy, guys? It could definitely be a buy, but as you already know, we're waiting for confirmations. I do like from Tilray the candle that we are creating, which is giving me signs of rejection. The next candle, the monthly candle, is gonna be critical. I think March is gonna be a little bit of consolidation equals confirmations. For the summer, we should be seeing higher highs, higher lows, potentially maybe a pullback down by August, September, maybe consolidation in October, starting to go up. So is it a buy? Potentially it is, because the price level for Tilray, as you can see, is very, very low. We've been here previously in 2020, which was $2.50, and they are still going for it. They're chugging along. They're not stopping. They're gonna continue. I want to see more confirmations in the technical side of things, but patience will pay off, especially with pot stocks. It's gonna take a little bit of time, and we already know that there was a crazy point where the price went to $300. We're not gonna go that crazy, but definitely want to keep an eye on that since the ranges look attractive. Let me know in the chat room, in the comment section, what do you think about Tilray? Will it go up? Will it go down? I would love to know your opinion. Thank you for stopping by and saying hi. So yeah, and I wanted to let you know, Colombia carries the